I am helping my fellow tax people to set up their tax team, their AI tax team. But like I said before, this can also be for any business. So you can use some of these tools to help set up your own AI business if you just go into ChatGPT group chat and ask it to help you set up your bots for your specific business. So what we're talking about today is our quality assurance bot, or our QA bot. This is the quality assurance control system because it checks everything before you send it out to your clients, right? You want to make sure that you have all of your ducks in a row. You want to make sure that it is sending all the correct information out to your clients, that it is giving, information that's correct and truthful from your from the irs.gov or your state's tax website, and it's going to review all your content for accuracy, for clarity, for the professional tone, for any missing details or confusing instructions or errors in the logic or compliance issues at a general level. So after your tax preparer bot or your admin bot comes up with whatever that you have them coming up with, right? You're going to have your QA bot review their work. So what you're going to put in there is QA bot. Review the message above and fix anything unclear or inaccurate. And once you send that over, it will give you clean, corrected version. And it's not going to give you anything that is not true. It's going to make sure that you are providing true information to your clients, like I said before. And so let's see what it comes back with. And then we want to make sure that whatever it comes back with, it gives it to our clients accurately. And then if you want to have your full tutorial, I will link that below in the description box so that you can see exactly how to set up your AI tax team. And if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and leave those in the comment section. I will make sure that I respond and help you along the way to make sure that you are getting the most out of your group chat in ChatGPT. So here is what it says. Here's a QA bot review followed by improved version. So if you look at this information, it got this information from the IRS website, gives a breakdown, gives clarity. Went too fast. It gives clarity on it, a good explanation, and there's no issues in compliance because it is complying with what it said, and it improved the version to make it client friendly and clear. And so basically you can take this information and either call your client with it, or you can send it as an email to your client. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, leave those in the comments. I hope that this information has helped you. Go ahead and become a member of the Financial Spotlight family. We'd love to have you. Subscribe for more information just like this or more tax tips and tricks. Have a good one. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye.